My dear students, how are you? I hope you are all well by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am also well. I am Sushanta Kumar Rai, Assistant Teacher, SM Model Court High School, Gopalganj. In previous class, we discussed article, part 2. Now, I am going to discuss also article, the last part. Now look, we know that two kinds of article, definite and indefinite. Definite and indefinite. Definite the and indefinite a or an. That is before single countable noun. Before single countable noun, you have to use a or an. Okay. Last class we have discussed about it. Now I am going to discuss omission of articles. That is where we have to cross mark for no article. Now look where we have to use, where we have to, we do not have to use article or omission the articles for cross. Now look. Now look, the articles are not generally used before the following. Where we have not used article or where we have to get a cross mark. Okay. Before proper noun are not used articles. Now look, Gopalganj. Gopalganj is a proper noun. So before Gopalganj, we need not use article. Okay. So next, look, Jamal. Here Jamal. Now look, Jamal is a proper noun. So before Jamal, we have no right any article here. Okay. Now look, in the bracket, we have to give a cross mark. Okay. Now look, we have give a cross mark. Have you understood? Before proper noun, we do not use article. Okay. Now look next. Before material noun, we do not have use or we need not use article. Now look, materials noun. In previous class we discussed what is materials noun. Gold is a material noun. Before material noun, we need not use article. So before gold, we should not use any article. Okay. Now look here. Coal is black but very useful to us. Coal is a kind of materials noun. So we should not use before coal or any kinds of material nouns article. Okay. Now look, serial number 3, before abstract noun. Before abstract noun, abstract noun, we should not use article, or you have to give a cross mark. Now look, kindness is a abstract noun. Kindness. So here kindness is a abstract noun. So before abstract noun, we should not use any article. Okay. But sometimes we have to use article before abstract noun. Now look, where we have to use article before abstract noun. Look at this sentence. The kindness of Mohsin is known to all. This sentence before here, kindness, abstract noun. Before this word, we have to use the. But why here we have to use the? Here kindness, the kindness is a great virtue. This kindness is abstract noun, but the kindness of Mohsin, the kindness is not abstract. The kindness here adjective. Okay, because Mohsin is noun. So before noun, we know that we have to use adjective. So here kindness not adjective, not abstract noun. Here adjective. Okay. So before adjective, we have to use article a and the, or definite or indefinite article. Okay, my dear students. Any problem? Okay. Thank you. Now look, serial number 4. Before a common noun, preceded by the phrase kind of, sort of, species of in interrogative sentence. If you find this phrase word, that is kind of, sort of, species of, before this we have to use no article. Now look, what dash kind, here what dash kind, what no article, kind of flower is it. Okay, same, what sort of, what here cross, before cross we have short, we have to use cross mark. Okay, because short kind of, space of, in a interrogative sentence you find this word, in an interrogative sentence we have to use cross mark. Okay, now serial number 5. Now look, very important. Before school, college, court, mosque, bed, hospital, market, pigeon, and so on. These are any kinds of institution. Any kinds of institution. If you find in a sentence war, before this word, we have to sometimes use the, or sometimes no article. But when we have to use the, that is definite article, or when we not use article or cross mark. Yes, cross mark. Now look, these places are visited to that is school, college, court, mosque, bed, hospital, market, prison. Before these words, sometimes we have to write the, or sometimes we have to cross mark. Now, when cross mark or article, the. Look at the sentence, I went to school yesterday. Basically, school is a place where we have to go to study. I went to school. So I went to school, but my father went to the school yesterday. What is the difference here? Here is school. I go to school. Before this school, before this school. Now look, before this school, no article. But my father went to school. Here, the article. What is different? Basically, differ. My father went to school yesterday to meet the headmaster. Headmaster. Here, my father went to meet the headmaster. So here, not as usual, other purposes. So we have to write before school, court, masjid, mosque, hospital, market, prison. Before this, right? Sometimes you have to use article the, or sometimes we have to make cross mark. Okay. Next serial number 6. Before man, woman, in the sense of mankind, or before father, mother, uncle, aunt, baby, when it expresses out father, mother, uncle, then no article. Now look, man is mortal. So here, man is mortal, no article. Here, man before man, no article. Same, baby is crying. Here, no article. Next, serial number 7. Before home, when it means the when means the speaker of, or the person spoken to go home, to go home, go dash home. Before home, we need not use article. Okay, same. Here home use as adverb. So before adverb, we need not use article here. Okay. Next, serial number 8. Serial number 8. Before game or meals. Before game or meals, we need not use article. Now look, we like to play football or cricket or any kinds of game. We need not use before this game no article. Okay. Now look, I have dash breakfast. Sorry, breakfast. I have dash breakfast. Here breakfast. Before any kinds of meal, we have to get cross mark. Now I have dash breakfast. Here breakfast, dinner, supper. Before this lunch, we need not use article. But now look, I have dash breakfast. I have here cross. But now look, here good before meal. If you find any adjective, before adjective, we have use a article. I have a good breakfast. Okay. Next, serial number 9. Generally, before seasons or festival, no article. I was there in autumn. Yeah, autumn, a season. So before season, no article. Summer is the best time for picnic. So here summer, a kind of season. But sometimes we can, before season, we can use article B. Next, serial number 10. Before complement of a transitive, we have to use no article or cross mark. Now look, we made him captain. Here, transitive verb. What is transitive verb? Here now look, transitive verb. In previous class, I discussed it, but now I also discuss it. Transitive. Very simple. If you want to say simple, after verb object, the verb after verb object, that is verb transitive. Now look here, look, I saw a bird, but he sleeps at night. Now look this sentence. I saw, after saw, a verb. After saw verb, a bird object. But a bird object or not object, that is verbs for transitive or intransitive. Basically, verb, two kinds of verb, transitive and intransitive. But which verb, transitive or intransitive? If you find after verb, the verb transitive. But how to understand after verb object? How to understand? If you make a question by what or sorry, what or whom. If you find answer, clear sense, the verb transitive. So what did you what did you see? I saw a bird. So here answer a bird, that is transitive verb. But he sleeps at night. Here sleeps transitive or infinitive. After sleeps a part at night. Here at night transitive or intransitive. Sleeps verb transitive or intransitive. How to understand? If you make a question by what or which in verb, if you find answer, the verb transitive or not intransitive. Sleeps. What sleeps? No answer. Whom sleep? No answer. So the sentence or verb here sleeps intransitive. But the sentence we made him captain. Here him and captain two object, that is double object. Two object or double object. Here captain before complement of verb. So here before complement we need not any article. Okay. Same, he was elected chairman of the board. So here no article. Okay. Now look, serial number 10. When two or more nouns or adjectives refer to the same person or things, the article is used before the first adjective or noun. Okay. Now look, the headmaster and the secretary were present in the meeting. The headmaster and secretary was present in the meeting. What is the difference here? Now look, the headmaster, first sentence, the headmaster, serial number A, the first sentence, the headmaster and the secretary. Here, secretary and headmaster, the headmaster and the secretary, here two persons. So this is plural number. But the headmaster and secretary or serial number B. Now look carefully. The headmaster and secretary, serial number B, there is no article. But why? Basically, here or serial number B, the headmaster and secretary are same person. So you need not use article. Okay. And this is one person or singular person. So here was. But serial number B, here verb were. What is the differ? Have you understood? Okay, my dear students. Next, the article are not generally used before the followings. Now look, before plural nouns. Before plural noun, there is no article. Boys are playing. Here, boys plural number, but the boys are playing football in the field. Here, the boys is, now look, boys are playing in the field. Now look, what is the difference between this sentence? The boys are playing cricket in the field. This is definite. So before definite, plural nouns, we have to use the. But boys are playing, not definite. So before definite, not definite, we have to use plural number, no article. Now, same, birds are singing. Same. Next, serial number 2. Before uncountable nouns. Uncountable nouns, we need not use article. Or materials nouns, same. Or material nouns or uncountable. Rice, uncountable noun or material noun. So before this, we have no article. Same, gold is a precious metal. Same. Before gold, this is uncountable and material noun. So before gold, we have to make a cross mark. Serial number 3, before park, road, street. Before this, we need not use no article. We went to Ramna Park, not we went to the Ramna Park. Okay, same, go to alone Bangabandhu Road, not go to along the Bangabandhu Road. Before Bangabandhu Road or Ramna Park, park, street, square. Before this, we need not use. Okay. Next, serial number 4, because vocative case. Vocative case. What is vocative case? Basically, case 4 kinds of case: nominative, objective, possessive, and vocative. In previous time, I discussed nominative, objective, possessive. But now I'm going to discuss vocative case. Vocative case, basically a word, comma, and rest of the sentence. Or this is in Bangla, vocative, that's mean Sammodhan Pad. Brother, come here. Here, brother, vocative case. I'm sorry, sir. Here, sir, vocative. Before vocative case, no article. Okay, my dear students, have you any question? If any question, you can make a question. Now, you have fill in the gap. He is best boy in the class. Son is on the sun. Okay. Man is maker of his own person. Own person. Now, Dhaka is the capital of Bangladesh. Okay. Therefore, I saw blue bird. Blue bird. I eat egg daily. Mr. John is European. My brother is Cash University. Sorry, student. He is Cash honorable teacher. Next, I saw one eye. Now, answer the question. Now, answer the question. He is dash best boy in the class. The. Because before superlative degree, you have to use the. Next, sun. Before sun, moon, earth, this you have to use the. East. The sun rises in the east. Okay. Next, same. The earth moves around the sun. Dash, man is maker of his own fortune. Here you have to make cross. Dhaka is the capital of Bangladesh. Before Dhaka, that is proper noun. So here we have to use cross mark. I saw dash blue bird. Before blue, you have to use a. Here, before adjective, we have to use a. I eat dash egg daily. Here, an egg daily. Because here, e vowel. So, before vowel, we have to use an. Mr. John is European. You vowel. E vowel, pronunciation as vowel. Before vowel, we have to use a, not an. My brother is dash university student. My brother is dash university student. You, same. Here we have to use a. He is honorable teacher. Honorable, not honorable, honorable. So before is wa, is wa. Before why you have to use an. Same, I saw one, before one, we have to use a. Okay, my dear students, any question? Now, our town, that is Gopalganj, is under lockdown. So, stay at home, save you and save your family and save our country. And study regularly. Okay. If any question or if you find any fault, next time you will ask question and answer the question after that. Thank you, my dear students. God bless you.